Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to do a 2v2 friendly battle with friends in Clash Royale. Playing a 2v2 friendly battle with friends in Clash Royale is a fun way to team up and test your strategies together. It is easy to set up, and you can invite friends directly from your device using multiple options. Here's a step-by-step guide to start a friendly 2v2 match with your friends. First, open the game on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap the Add Friends icon located in the top right corner of the screen. It will open the Friends menu, where you can manage your existing friends and add new ones. After that, tap Invite Friend. You will have several options for sending an invitation. You can send it directly to a friend via WhatsApp by selecting their contact. Alternatively, you can copy the invitation link and share it through other apps or platforms. You can also send the invitation via social media apps such as Facebook or Instagram, or through any messaging app installed on your device. When your friend receives the link or invitation, they can tap it to connect with you in Clash Royale. After they accept, you will appear in each other's friends list, allowing you to challenge or chat with one another in the game. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.